Hi there. How do you make sex more than physical so it is a deepening connection for your marriage? Well, that's what I'm going to unpack for you today. And I have three things I want you to consider. Maybe one of these scenarios you have fallen into. So the first one, maybe you've gotten into a rut and your intimacy has just become routine and it's nice, but it's just kind of empty. And you're like, oh my goodness, there's got to be more than that. Sometimes you had that feeling in the early days and you want to kick it in gear again. All right, but listen, here is another scenario for you. Maybe you have some selfish habits, kind of that me first with your pleasure, and you're just kind of tired of your spouse not responding to intimacy like you do. I know frustrations can build up, and when the frustration is there, it's difficult to try to meet halfway or even hear what your spouse really wants. So that's something that is a problem to push through. But I have another one for you. So this one is, maybe you just don't even know where to start with this whole connecting thing. You're like, emotional intimacy, frankly, it's scary. You got to be vulnerable. You got to take risk. And that's just kind of off my grid. I didn't grow up that way and I see value for it, but I don't have the steps, don't have the skills. Good news is you can learn the skills. You're never stuck or trapped with what you brought into the marriage. And because of that, I have created a course. It's called the United and Ignited, God's Design for Intimacy in Marriage. And it is an online group program because you are not alone, and there are so many other people that have already taken the course, had amazing results, and I want to make sure that I offer it to you. The cool thing is it is available to married couples and marriage-minded singles, because there are so many singles that are like, Mary, I've been there, done that, don't want to do it again. How do I not repeat those mistakes? So this is fresh information, and it is boatloads of information. 6 weeks. You get videos, teaching videos, study guides. It's a group, so there's 6 weeks of community support. And then we have these weekly live group coaching sessions were amazing. Truly, that is the sweet spot, because you're hearing from other couples and you're like, wow, I am so not alone. And that's just one of the ways that God wants to encourage you. So please look for the link below that gives you the sign up. It runs October 5th through November 9th, and I cannot wait to see you.